风趣
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey there, welcome back to Daily Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。我们这个月在讲一些跟教育有关的东西啦。那老师是教育里面很重要的一个角色啦。
董从也一日为师，终身为父。
没错。Let's teach you how about teachers, you know, and teachers have a lot of influence over us. 老师怎么说？
欣赏。
欣赏。比如说，我高中的英文老师教学很优秀。My high school English teacher teaches very well.
我高中嘅哈。
我高中嘅哈。
嘅英文欣赏。
嘅英文欣赏。
數搞來。
數搞來。
一針掉哦。
一針掉哦，一針掉就很優秀嗎？一針掉，一起棒的那種感覺。
對。
Okay, that means teaching very well, doing something very well. Okay, 優秀怎麼說？
針掉。
針掉。Okay, that means excellent. And then in college, we don't call them teachers, we actually call them professors.
教書，
对不对？老師到了大學有另外一個尊稱了，
升等了。
大學裡的老師我們尊稱為教授。
MV 老太學度
MV 老太學度
嘅欣賞，
嘅欣賞，
按多教書，
按多教書。叫做高書就是教授 That's professor 高書 Now you know. All right, let's review some of the phrases we brought up, including how about excellent 優秀
針掉，
針掉 and then a professor 教授
教書，
高書。然後呢，我們在一起教大學，這一集就教高中。
對，
怎麼說？
高中，
高中 and they are all 老師們
欣賞，
欣賞 or teacher. There you have it, learning about education on ICRT.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.